Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you how you can write a program, a C++ program to identify the name of the day depending on the number that the variable will take. For example, if the variable takes a value 1, it may be Monday, or a variable takes a value 2, it may be Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, etc. So how we can identify the name of the day in a week depending on the number a variable takes using switch. The other selection statement, that is the switch. The selection statements are, by the way, if else, if, and switch. So this switch selection statement is used only for equal to comparison, but for greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, or not equal to, these are done using if else if. So we can convert a switch selection statement into if else if statement. It's very simple. We will see with another program. So for today I'm going to show you how you can write a C++ program using a switch condition, that is switch selection statement. So first of all, let me include my library file that contains cin and cout operation. So hash include, as usual, write hash include then less than. Okay, first of all, I need to save my file. Right click on this, not right click, but click simply, then click on save as, then select the place desktop, then here write switch, for example, .cpp, that is C++, then click on save. Now it is active. Now write hash include, then less than, then iostream.h, iostream int main, then I need to, as usual, I need to declare a variable that is choice. We can write anything. The name of the variable should be anything regarding to the rules. Then int choice, for example. Okay. After that, write switch ch. Okay, here t. Since this is a keyword, it will be written in blue color as int and include hash. So open the bracket, then write the expression, that is choice. Then close the bracket. After that, we need to open a curly brace because there are so many statements that I will execute under switch, so that enter, then the case value should be written. The cases, case 1, then write here colon, not semicolon but colon. I can write space here, then enter, then I can write a number of statements under this case 1. If this variable, the value of this variable, that is switch, matches with case 1, that means the number 1, then the statement under this case will be executed. Else, if the switch expression matches the next case, that's case 2, then the statement under case 2 will be executed, and so on. So the statement here will be cout Monday. In end line, then semicolon. Okay, here break, I need to include break and then semicolon. The reason why I write here break is if the value of this variable matches with this case, then the other thing, that means the other cases will not be executed because there is break. If there is no break, even though case 1 does not match with the value of this variable, the other statements will be executed. But if there is break, statement, that is a switch, that means under this switch, if there is break, if the value of this variable matches with this, then this statement will be executed. After that, no need of executing the rest of the statements. That's why I wrote break. Then enter, then case 2, then colon. Okay, see out. Tuesday, then close semicolon, less than operator, then inline, break, semicolon, then case 3 will continue, case 3, then colon, see out, quotation Wednesday, close the quote, then less than end line, index, enter, then break, semicolon, then enter, case 4. There are 7 days in a week, so we will continue up to case 7. Now case 4, that is colon, then see out, then Thursday, close the quotation, less than operator, then end line, indel, then semicolon, break, semicolon, then case 5, colon, see out, then Friday, then end line, semicolon, then break, okay, EAK, that is semicolon, then case 6, colon, then see out, less than, then quotation, that is Saturday, close the quotation, less than, end line, then break. The last one is case 7, the last but not the least case, then colon, then see out, less than, then open a quotation, then Sunday, the last day in a week, Sunday, that's what we know, Sunday, then close the quotation, then less than, less than, end line, then semicolon, now break, semicolon. Okay, now we need to write a default statement. That means if a program or a user enters a number out of this 1 up to 7, for example, if a user enters number 8, so the default statement will be executed. So the program need to be print something by default if the value does not match with the value of the choice. That is, first of all, we need to write a default default, then colon cout, enter valid number, invalid number, invalid number in the line. Okay, here we need to accept the value of choice first of all, then cin. Okay, before that, let me make the program more user friendly. Enter a value, then in the line, then cin. Here cout, not cin. Okay, here cin. Okay, choice ce. Now let me encapsulate the function using this curly brace. So if the user enters number 1, this statement will be executed and the rest statements will not be executed because here is break. If there is no break, even though the value matches with 1, the rest statement will be executed. That means it will not print Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, but it will check whether this case matches with the value that we entered or not. But if the value matches with case 1, that is, if the number is 1, this statement will be executed. Then this is a break statement, so no need of checking the rest cases. So it consumes our time. So the time complexity will be reduced if we will write in that way. So now let's save and check whether there is a compile time error or not. Okay, one error that we have. Here at the end, double click on this error to check where the error is found. So double click on this end. So the error is here. Here we have one open brace. Here we have the other open brace. So the closing for this open brace is this, but the closing for this open brace is not included. So we need to add one open closed brace. So now there is no compile time error. Successful build. After that, let's run. Enter a value, for example, 1. Then click on enter Monday. Then let me check his other number. Enter 2. Then Tuesday. For example, let me enter 0. Invalid number, because default statement will be executed. If a user enters numbers out of 1 up to 7, so the default statement will be executed. The program will ask you to enter a valid number. That means invalid number error message will be displayed, so it is user friendly. In this way, we can write a program using switch statement. Next time, I will show you how you can convert switch statement into if-else-if selection statement. So this is all about for today's lesson. If you have any question, let me know by leaving your question in the comment section down below. And don't miss to like, share and subscribe our channel Deep Sites. So with the next time, we will meet with another very interesting program. Till then, have a nice time, guys.